Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then for some reason it is blocked, so let me unblock it quickly. So now all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on this camera icon in the circle, and now you can either take a photo and then your device will immediately open the camera app, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. So I will take a photo because I do not have any photos in the gallery, so let me just quickly take a photo of those logos, and let me tap on the stick option. And now in this tab you can change the position of this highlighted square, you can change the size of it also, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on the stick icon, and remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. So here we've got our contact with the photo added. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.